if I'm given the option to buy Bitcoin aggressively now, I will set my limit as 75,500. GM everyone, welcome to Trade with Bongreat Solomon. You're welcome. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of May, 2026. Okay, so you know what we do here every morning? We do Bitcoin daily review. You know, should I tell you what I said? The reason why I said what I just said? Okay, let me take you back to the weekly time frame on what I told you yesterday when I was doing the weekly review. Okay, I told you guys that I'm expecting Bitcoin to at least trade up here, spike. Yesterday is Monday. Told you guys I'm expecting something that Bitcoin should pull up and then started falling. That I'm expecting Bitcoin this week to trade at least 50% of this weekly rejection. Okay, so but you see it yesterday, and I instructed the fact that you should use a tight SL on Bitcoin as well. And unfortunately, the sell trade that we took yesterday, because of the tight SL, we hit a SL and the Bitcoin started going to our rejection. Okay, that's a normal as a trader. Hitting a SL is a normal as a trader. So, but the only thing is that if you hit SL, you should know the reason why, and that will help you to do more in your next trade. Okay, if you don't know why you are hitting SL or TP, that simply means you are gambling. Okay, so guys, GM once again, welcome to today's daily analysis. So let's see the performance of Bitcoin yesterday and see what Bitcoin have for us yesterday. Okay, so I told you guys your ability to perceive what the market is trying to do is an edge on its own in the market, you know. So when we were doing daily review yesterday, I told you guys that as of then, Bitcoin was trading around this 4 hours time frame now. Bitcoin was hovering around this place, okay, around the 70, 200, 70, 300 thereabouts. So, and I told you guys that I'm expecting Bitcoin to give us a spike, then start pulling down. So, but the spike didn't happen as I expected. Rather, it happened gradually. Okay, that's why it was able to take our title saw. So don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this video, do well to join our to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the full review so that you will have the full idea of what we are saying this morning. Okay, so thank you guys. Let's dive into it. Let's go back to the daily and see what Bitcoin did yesterday. So Bitcoin gave us a high yesterday, and then this morning started the fall yesterday, and this morning the Asian market continued the fall. Okay, so this is the high of Bitcoin yesterday on what do we call it, 77,900, and the low was at 76,800. Now Bitcoin is pulling back. I told you guys that I'm expecting the fact that Bitcoin should, so don't think that this pullback will just happen today. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come here, give us something like second double bottom. This is the first bottom here, give us a second double bottom here, and then we can push up. So I'm expecting a chart pattern double bottom here before we. So what are we expecting today? See what you should look at today. Bitcoin is currently trading below the previous day low, and you know what that means. So let's see what the first 4 hours of the Asian market did. Okay, yeah, looking at it, you can see it clearly so well. Okay, you can see it. Yeah, you can see what is happening here. It's closing so bearishly. So this candle will close in the next what? In the next 10 minutes. Okay, so you can still go lower to the lower, because this downtrend is not late already. You can still go lower and then find an entry. Okay, so you know the attempt of this analysis is not to give you signal but to give you a highlight of what you should look out for. So this downtrend now, this pullback now to the downside is not late yet. You can still find an entry and join the sell continuation, you know. So looking at what is happening here now, I told you from the higher time frame, I told you that my target is for Bitcoin to come here and give the double bottom. Okay, but don't forget, today is Tuesday, anything is possible in the market. Okay, this is a business working days, you know. So if you are shorting, you have to be very skeptical. Okay, so but on a general note, I'm bearish on Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. I'm bearish, you know, for the fact that Bitcoin have taken the weekly uh, rejection and then is coming down. Okay, so guys, don't forget to join our Telegram, our YouTube, and our X handle so that you will stay updated. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for staying to this moment. Okay, you have seen what I just showed you. You don't have to force the market. You have to do everything you are doing. You have to be based on confirmations, you know. So thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow on our next review. Bye and thank you for now. I remain my humble self, Bongret Solomon. Bye for now.